So another method that we can use is the SetDefault method. I'm going to make a program called SetDefault.py, and let's say that we have an empty dictionary. If we were to say print D of name, what will happen? We get a key error because there's no items in this dictionary, and when we try to look something up that's not there, it gives us a key error, and that stops our program. What works maybe a little better is this approach. We could say d.setDefault, and we'll put in the key value of name, and then we'll say NA. So what this does is it essentially says, hey, if name exists, display whatever that value is. If it doesn't exist, display NA instead. So let me run that. And what you can see is we get an NA because that name's not there. And then what I'll do is I'll say D of name, key value name is equal to Gumby. And we'll print this dictionary just so we can see what that does. And notice that it actually, when we say set default, it actually will put that value in there. Let's make this be the same so we can see what happens also. So now, if we have name equal to Gumby, and then we say the same thing, then run it. Notice that here we added the name Gumby. It didn't print NA the second time we ran it. Instead, because there was a dictionary item with name in it, it returned that instead. So basically what the SetDefault method does is it checks to see if this exists in the dictionary. If it doesn't, it adds a new item with this as the value, and then it returns that so you can use it right away, and then it leaves it in the dictionary. And if you already have something, instead what it does, it returns whatever that value is. So this is a gentler way of accessing things in the dictionary, and it doesn't stop your program. Thank you.